intake manifold boots. Remove the carburetors. So we can remove each carburetor boot or intake manifold. Take the intake manifold and cut your heat shrink to the right size, so it's going to cover it. Then you need to punch a hole through so you can get that vacuum line through it. Place it in there like that. Here they are, all done, sitting in the heat shrink. Then I pop them in the oven at about 160 degrees. I know there it is, 120 degrees. 120, 130 degrees, whatever your heat shrink's rated at. I think there was 130 on these ones. And then when they shrink back, you need to trim it all back off. Found just a scalpel blade or a Stanley knife blade works fine. Trimming it all up there. Trim off the other side as well. Careful on that side because that's rubber. But it was easy. And there you go, they look like new on the outside. And then you're going to have to punch a hole through for the bolts, the mounting bolts. And I used a punch because I found if I cut them, then they split and they got heated from the engine. So I punched holes through and then remount them to the engine. I used a gasket sealer, polyurethane, something or other I think it was. So after fitting them, I ran the engine for about 500 kilometres and there was continued shrinkage.
So you can see that it's actually stretched, the hole's gotten bigger and it's moved out and over the side of the bolt. You can also see there that it's sort of pulling away from the sides. That was all flush up against the end there. It's no longer flush. And up here it's also shrunk back as well. It's also shrunk back there as well. Let's see if I can find another one. There you can see where it's torn completely on that one. I'd say about half of them look like that.